Hello everyone, I'm Daniel from Eneo Company. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the varying parts of level roof grill, toilet, thermocouple, and the ignitor. Throughout the process, we will use a spanner and screwdriver. Step 1. Remove the grill panel. We need to unscrew both the door screws and the panel screws, including the two screws here. Let's get started. Once we have all the screws off, we just need to remove the knob and the pulse ignitor, and we can remove the panel. Step 2. We take the grill out. And remove the board here so we can see the parts we want to replace. We just need to loosen these two screws here, and we can move on the next step. Step 3. We can replace the toilet here. We just need a spanner to do it. And this is where the thermocouple is connected. The same steps as replacing the toilet. And then, if we want to replace the ignitor, we just need to unplug the connection of the pulse ignitor, like this. And you can replace it. Finally, we just need to reinstall all the parts that have just been removed, and it's done. Thank you for watching.